Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a Kerala saree. First, always check the fabric care label for specific instructions, as some sarees may require special attention. Make sure your iron is perfectly clean to avoid any marks on the delicate fabric. Set your iron to a medium to low heat, which is ideal for most saree materials. Finally, prepare a clean, flat ironing board with a good padded cover. Next, lightly dampen your Kerala saree using a spray bottle with distilled water. This helps relax the fibers and makes ironing much easier. Be careful not to overwet the fabric. A light mist is all you need. Lay the saree completely flat on your ironing board, gently smoothing out any major wrinkles. Then, work on the saree in small, manageable sections, perhaps about 2 to 3 feet at a time, for the best results. When ironing, always work on the reverse side of the saree. This protects the delicate fabric and any intricate designs from direct heat. For areas with embellishments or embroidery, place a thin pressing cloth over them before ironing. Move the iron smoothly and continuously across the fabric to prevent any scorching. Apply gentle, even pressure, ensuring you avoid creating harsh creases, especially along the borders. After ironing, let your beautiful Kerala saree cool down completely before you fold or hang it. This helps set the fabric and prevents new wrinkles from forming. Carefully fold the saree along its original creases to maintain its elegant drape and shape. Store your freshly ironed saree in a cool, dry place, away from any direct sunlight. Using a breathable saree bag can offer excellent protection from dust and potential damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.